Hey guys, look at our radishes, okay? And our beets going on here. I should have had my stand with me. And as you can see, the radishes is doing its thing. The stickers done came busting out, okay? I should have pushed the sponges up, which I am. You see that radish back there? And we can use these leaves and put it in smoothies, they say, and other things. So I'm gonna check on the beets over here. I don't know, the beets seems to be struggling, y'all. Okay, but the radishes is doing what it do. But here's an update of my indoor gardening, winter indoor gardening for the radishes, and they're looking good. So I'm going to push these up some so they won't get stuck in the grow baskets, and then check in and see what's up with these beets. Look at that. Lovely, loving it. So this is January 17th, okay? And this is the bok choy. I can actually start cutting and eating off of this. See that? Wonderful. This is our broccoli. Okay, our broccoli is taking our time, and as you can see, 2 did not succeed at all, okay? So I'm gonna go ahead and remove those and let these 3 broccoli plants rock out. All right, so we're on day 19 for the broccoli. Hey guys, today is February 2nd. I know I'm behind on vlogging, but as you can see, my bok choy is looking amazing. So we are about to harvest some of these today. What is this? Day 38, I believe. And it's looking good, y'all, looking good. Okay, I'm gonna clean up some of these leaves here, but it's time to harvest. And this is in the Aero Garden Harvest 2.0. Looking so good, and they're so healthy and strong. So, and I'm gonna cook some of these today. All right, so I harvest my bok choy. Okay, looking good, looking good. And I can't wait to cook it, okay? I want to taste the flavors and all that good stuff, so I can't wait. And here we go, here we go. Oh my goodness, I can't wait, y'all. So this is my harvest of my bok choy. Okay, so this is the update once again for WIG challenge, winter indoor gardening, okay? So happy gardening. I can't wait. Lots. They look so healthy and good. Here is the update of the broccoli. I don't have any broccoli growing yet. And as you can see, we are on day 35. So this is the broccoli. It's getting there, it's getting there, it's getting there. But there aren't any broccoli heads yet, so gotta be patient. But I started using the nutrition for the lead pot nutrition for all of my WIG gardening, and I don't think I like their nutrition, so I think I need to stick with Arrow Garden, you know what I mean? nutrition, but I've been using the lead pot. So, I mean, it's doing great for the bok choy, but yeah, the broccoli, I don't know. So if you're watching this, let me know. If you started off with one nutrition, can you switch? Leave me a comment in the comment section and let me know. This is real. This has been really, really nice. Shout out to Mike for this challenge. I think it's up until April. So far so good. This is what I'm growing for the winter. I'll be back with an update. So let's check on our beets, and let me let you see what our beets and radishes are doing. Okay, day 38. I'm about to clean the tank. Okay, and as you can see, our radishes are looking good. This is as big as it's gonna get. So that's good. You got one there. I got one back here. As you can see. So we're gonna do that. But this, as you can see, I'm telling you, I was so behind on checking, but I don't see anything with the beets, but I can do something with the leaves, make me a smoothie, etc., etc. And so I'm gonna go ahead and harvest these, clean out the tank, and we're gonna see what our beets do. I think my next time trying the beets, I'm simply going to do them by themselves, because baby, they give me a lot of growth there, but none, I'm not getting any beets. I don't understand. But I got radishes, so let's work with those, okay? All right, I'll be back to show you the harvest and what the radishes are looking like and taste like. Okay, y'all, so this is the last, this is the last experiment run with the, not the last, but this is the end to the beets and to the beets and the radishes, okay? Experiment. I'm gonna close this out, and I am going to, I'm gonna touch base back on the beets later, but this is the radishes. I am gonna use these leaves. You know, the leaves are good to use, so I'm gonna use that. So you know I'm starting my new diet. So that's that for those two that didn't really do anything for the radishes. Now, as far as the radishes here that I have that we are going to, now I don't know, this ain't looking so good, but I'm gonna cut into it, but I'm removing the grow sponges, the sponges from here, letting you see what the radishes is like. But we're gonna see the inside, and some of these leaves I will use as well. So that's it to that. Now, listen, I'm not gonna use these leaves, of course not. Look at this baby. This is the biggest radish I've had. Okay, so I'm gonna clean this off. The roots were just amazing, y'all. I'm seriously. Listen, this indoor gardening is an experience for me. This is my first harvest that I actually got. I tried radishes before, if you look at my videos on the channel, and it didn't succeed because I believe because I mixed it with like beans and all that stuff. So this actually looks amazing. guys. So you know I'm excited. So I'm gonna cut into these when I get back, and I'm gonna clean these off and cut into and give a taste test with you guys. So now, as far as the I'm going to definitely use the leaves for smoothies or whatever for my beets. The beets didn't beet. So don't really have a harvest with us. And listen, guys, you can reuse these grow baskets, okay? You could just, as long as you, of course you can't use the grow sponges, but the grow baskets are amazing. As long as you just, you know, and you can clean them off and you can reuse these. So as you can see, there isn't any beets. It's just roots. So I'm just gonna only use the leaves. So this is the end of this journey. I'm kind of disappointed a little bit because I thought this time for sure. But at least I got a lot of the leaf growth. And I'm gonna use them in my smoothies, like I said, because it's very, very beneficial to us. So here's the radishes. I am packing them in a Ziploc baggie, and hopefully if I remember when I make a smoothie, I will record it so you can see. So lots of healthy things that you can do with the leaves from the vegetables. Even if the veggies didn't produce, there's lots of nutrition in here. Trust me. Lots and lots of nutrition. So, waste not, want not. Is that what they say, right? So, put this in here. I'm gonna put this in the fridge until later. Okay? They're gonna get used. Trust me. All right, guys. So here are the leaves from the beets, which we are going to use. Okay? Listen, I gotta make some nice protein and shakes. Now here is our radishes, right? And so, as you can see, these didn't turn out well. Okay? They didn't turn out well. And because some gonna grow bigger, some's gonna grow smaller. So you just have to really, really pay attention to, you know, the growth, because they're not all gonna grow the same size. As you can see, they're gonna grow differently. So I should have pulled this, you know, but it's all good. It's all good. Let's rinse this off real quick. I just wanted to show you what it was looking like, and then let's see what it looks like on the inside. I'm gonna slice it open and then I'm gonna give it a taste. Now, I'm telling you, I'm not a big radish fan, but I want to eat more healthier. It's been years, so I want to try, you know, radishes and different things for a healthier diet, right? So I gotta stop saying stuff that I don't like, and find a way to add it to my dietary, and fix it in a way that I'm still getting the intake of the nutrients, but it's not bad tasting. So I'll be right back. So I think 5 out of 9 is not bad to what I've gotten. I just put this one up here for just to cut into it to see what it looked like. And I'm gonna taste it because it smells good. It smells like a radish. Okay. Ooh, it's strong. Ooh-wee. It is really strong. I'm saving this one for ooh, spicy. I forgot what radish tastes like. That's so crazy, but it's not bad, y'all. But that is strong, baby. I want to save this one for my salad, so that's why I'm not cutting into that one. So let's cut into this, baby. Look at that. And you could tell because this was harder to slice into. And this from the red, from the, you know. Let's try another one. As I was saying, the first radish was hard to cut into, and this one it was not. You know, it's a little softer, not too soft, but soft. No, it doesn't taste as strong as this one. It still have a little spice. But you know what? I could get with that. See, so I know the longer you leave, you know, the more mature it gets, the spicier it probably gets. I like it. It's not even that bad. As you can see, I'm still cutting into it and eating it. Anyway, there you have it. I'm gonna add it to my salad along with some of my beets leaves. Now the beet leaf is bitter. I haven't tried the radish leaves. Let me see. Always try them out. Okay, but this is really good. Okay. As you can see, I kept cutting. I was so into the taste and the flavors of this. I couldn't stop eating it. But anyway, it was delicious. First time growing my own radishes, and I end up liking radishes, which I never liked before. So guys, this has been an amazing experiment, and I can't wait to continue in growing different things. Okay, so once again, this is the WIG challenge, and I'm excited to be on board. Stay tuned for more updates.